me. That last video, yeah, I fell and I hurt. Failed. I hurt pretty bad. Make sure to check out my channel. ADHD is me, 451. Remember that? Okay, so here's Ryan.
Oh.
And technically, he won the battle because I had to
fell
surrender.
And surrendered.
That's the first time, I swear, first time that I've ever lost. Maybe 3 times I've lost.
And supposedly, he said that he broke his rib just from the fall, so let's do this shit.
No, I did not break my rib. I know what it feels like.
Damn it.
I broke my left rib right
Okay,
here.
come on.
Alright, set, go, Ryan. Go! Raiders suck.
Oh.
Ouch!
Oh.
Seems like Casey's reloading. What did you get for shooting me?
Oh, you shot me?
Yeah. We're at a standstill. Not anymore. I'd surrender.